Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So it's almost light, not quite, so I know this video is going to be dark. But I got out here early because I need to get a big harvest done, and I need to get to a florist and a wedding designer, and then I need to make all of my farmer market bouquets. So again, this is Danae. I'm in Iowa, Zone 5. For those of you that have never watched, I'm trying to do a video update every single day except for Sundays on my YouTube channel of a day in the life of a flower farmer. And so some days are just me telling you what I'm doing, because I don't know if everybody knows this, but flower farming takes a lot of time, and so sometimes I don't have time just to set up all of my equipment, but I always try to get pictures and throw some pictures up to music, and that's what I've harvested for the day, or that's the bouquets that I've made for the day. And then if I have time, I do go through and show you how to harvest or how to plant seeds or anything else. So when I was seed starting, I have a lot of informational videos on that. I have done how I harvest everything. I've done videos on that. And then right now I'm in the peak of my season, so I've just been harvesting, taking a lot of pictures, and just updating you on what I've done today. So I hope everybody does have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the pictures and the slideshows, and I will hopefully get back on here and update you on how my day went. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, and I'm definitely hooking up the water this morning while I harvest. Okay, I have all my $20 bouquets done. For those of you that haven't seen my channel before, I usually line up my farmer market bouquets. And if you want to drop your favorite in the comments below, I'll also let you know the order that they sell at the farmer's market, so you'll know which one was picked first, which one was picked last, and kind of get an idea for like base color or flower color. So these are them behind me, and I'll go through them right now, 1 through 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those just look fun all bunched up together. Okay, so the damage to the cooler. Alright, my cooler is definitely full. But I'm getting ready to make bouquet subscriptions, a florist order, and the farmer's market tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. I emptied that entire shelf. I still have spots over there, and if you remember, I had more than 5 buckets sometimes on shelves. Those amaranth are already spoken for on Monday. I just set them up there, and then those are the sunflowers I picked today. And most of the stuff right here on this shelf is what I picked today, except for the frosted explosion grass. I picked a bucket of it yesterday, and I think a bucket of it 2 or 3 days ago. And then most of this stuff is only 2 or 3 days old. And that is it. It's quite a difference in one day. And there's the damage. All of the buckets I get to wash because of that emptying of the cooler. And I am left with not very much. This is all I have left of my zinnias and my celosia that I had today. Remember earlier I just had buckets, and now I have that. And then I have this 1 bucket of sunflowers I might put back in the cooler, but some of them I'm not real sure about. I already threw some away. Maybe I'll stick them back in. Maybe I can use them for something. So on a day like today, I am so thankful for that cooler. There is no way I could have cut the amount of flowers that I needed, because I've been cutting my flowers every day. Got them all delivered and made all my farmer market bouquets without being up until like 2 or 3 in the morning. So definitely happy with the cooler, happy with the flowers, and I have another big order on Monday, and I've already got them cut and in the cooler ready to go, except for like zinnias and stuff that you don't put in the cooler. I'll cut that all fresh Monday morning. I might cut some more amaranth fresh Monday morning and then get it over to the florist. But yeah, I went through a lot of flowers in the last 2 days. It's been insane. But that's good. I'm glad I'm going through them. Otherwise, I'd have to toss them after a while. So I think like I have some Lysianthus that is a week and a half old. And then I think it's a week and a half old. But Lysianthus will make it like 2 to 3 weeks in the cooler. And then be fine. Like the vase life of it's fine. Some of the yarrow did kind of turn white, so I threw all of that away, but I have another bucket and a half of yarrow, and I did see some yarrow popping out in my field from like what had reseeded from some of the stuff that had gone to seed, so I might be able to pick another bucket of yarrow. I have a really busy weekend, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick again until Monday, so Monday might be a little crazy, but I'm going to get all of my buckets cleaned up, and hopefully I can get headed home and ready for the farmer's market tomorrow. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope you have a great day.